Hello students, and this is your chapter number 5, work we do. Why we normally work? So if there is no need of work, so there is something to do for our living purpose. So normally we need to live the food, the shelter, we want to stay at our home, house is needed, then clothes needed for us to wear. So various kinds of foods are needed for our health. So if these things are needed, so these are coming through the money. So for this purpose we need the money. So how we can get the money? Okay, so for the money we need to work. Okay, so if you are saying that we can do any work, so that is wrong. Okay, if we have the capability to work that particular work, then we can do. Otherwise we will fail for that work. Okay, so that can be various types of works, that is your family business or maybe any professional work or your talent. Okay, so here this is the definition of your occupation. What is the meaning of occupation? Any work which helps us to earn money is called occupation. So what is occupation? Any work, any kind of work that we are capable for that is we are just doing that work for our money. Okay, so this is called the occupation. So there is so many kinds of occupation, you know that. So there is porters, tailors, cobblers, mechanic, drivers, pilots, doctors, engineers, teachers. Some are doing jobs in their offices. So there are some are doing the labor works, daily labors are there. So there is so many kinds of work are there. So their need and what they can do. Why they do that particular work? Okay, someone is doing the tailoring. So why that person is doing the tailoring? Because he has the ability and he has the capacity to do the tailoring work. He knows better that work, he is efficient. Okay, so he is doing the tailoring work. Okay, plumber is doing his work. He cannot do the tailoring work because he is not efficient of that work. So how we can choose the work or occupation? How? If we are capable of that particular work, then we should choose that particular work. Whenever we are teaching something, we are efficient in teaching. So if I am teaching, then I am a teacher and I am just teaching you. I am efficient in my occupation. Okay, if someone is doing the engineering work, that he or she is efficient in engineering work. Okay, I can't do the engineering work because I have not got the training or that much of efficient. I am not efficient of that particular engineering work. Okay, so normally their need and what they can do. According to that, people choose their occupation in which they are very much strong. Okay, third thing, need to work at home. So you can see that mother is doing so many work in our home. Cooking, sweeping, all these things she is doing by its alone. Okay, no one is helping her. So if we are staying in a home, we are the family members. That is, there is no meaning that only one person in the home, she will do the entire household work. We should divide the work according to our ability. If we can water the plant, then we can do that work. Okay. If father is efficient in cooking, he should help mother in cooking. If grandparents are there, they can also do the outside work. They can go to the market, they can take the vegetables. Only small works they can also give more effort to the household works. So we should keep in mind that we have to do the works at home. What is very much burden to our father mother or any house any person that in our family member. Okay, so whenever there we can say that work I can do, so I should do that work properly, so that the burden will be divided among all the family members. Third thing, here is some work I have written here: porter, tailor, cobbler. So I have written so many words. We will discuss one by one. First one is porter. Who is porter? Who do the clay work. You also must have seen that the porter, they are doing some beautiful clay work, pots, some crafts over the clay. So they need the porter wheel. You have seen that porter wheel? Yeah, must have you have seen that porter wheel is there. Here they put the mud here or the clay, and by a circular process they wheel the wheel and they can make the particular thing. That may be any decorative piece or maybe any pot. Okay, so the porter, who is a porter, he must have the talent of that pottery work. Maybe that is a family business, that maybe come from his father or mother. Okay, so there is a family business. Okay, so the occupation of porter by the family. Then the tailoring work. Somebody they are very much efficient in tailoring work. They use their sewing machine. So that is needed for their tailoring work. They can stitch the clothes, they can make the dresses for us. So they are very efficient in tailoring work. But somehow now the tailoring work is a professional business or a professional course. They can also take the learning of tailoring. Nowadays it is called the designing work. Okay, so in the designing work they can make any design of any clothes, so that they can make very beautiful clothes for us. Okay, cobbler. Those are polishing the shoes, or sometimes they also make the shoes. They need different kinds of tools for that. Also the thread and some kind of materials, they make the shoes for us. Then mechanic. Normally mechanics we can see in the they are doing the mechanic of maybe the cars or buses. So they can be they must have learned the mechanic work from any professional college or school. Driver. Nowadays driving is very much essential. They should know the driving work as well as they should have to obey the traffic rules. So they should drive properly. The school driver, school bus driver, or ambulance or police van, they can also you can also see that they are obeying more rules. They are riding slow. They are obeying all the traffic rules and the regulations of our government. So for the driving, this also need a professional teaching, or they may be from any school or maybe any from the colleges. Next is doctor. Doctor is a very purely professional course. You cannot be a doctor without studying the medical. Okay, so this need a very good study at your medical. So the doctors, they can get the knowledge from the schools and colleges for their medical. Engineers. Engineers are various kinds of engineers are there. You can see that civil engineer, mechanical engineer, so many computer engineers. So they are efficient in their engineering. So they have to take also the courses of engineering from their colleges or schools. Pilots. They are also very much efficient in flying the aeroplanes or the helicopter. So they need a very much strong teaching of flying the aeroplanes and flying jets or helicopters like this. So they should be trained of that particular course. So now this is a few works occupations I have discussed about. Something you have to concentrate that there is some gender problems and works. So earlier times we know that there is some specific specific works for the male and females, that is distributed. Some work is for the man person and some are for woman person. Earlier was the thinking that that is not the work of a woman. Women are not efficient of that doing that particular work. But nowadays you can see that so many kinds of jobs are there, occupations are there, that the women are doing very efficiently. They are more capable than the men. So here we cannot say that any woman cannot do the things. Like you can give the example of Sunita Williams. She has spent the most of the days, 192 days in the space. So we can see that the women are not any kind of less efficient than any men. So we shouldn't distribute the works among the men and women. We should give the equally privilege to the men as well as the women. So here is the complete the chapter number 5, the work we do. I will just send the hard words and keywords and hard words, new words to your WhatsApp group and question answer also. Thank you.